This video has step-by-step instructions on how to complete an online self-assessment tax return. You can create free accounts with us and start using our software without any upfront costs and pay only a small charge at the end when transmitting your files to HMRC. We've made the tax return submission process as simple as 1, 2, 3, and we're sure that you'll find our software easy to use. If you have any questions, you can ask our dedicated chat support team. We're a firm of accountants and tax advisors and are different from other software providers. Please email us if you have any tax-related questions or if you want our tax advisors to double-check your return before you submit it to HMRC. This will give you peace of mind, especially if you don't know how to fill out your tax return on your own. The filing process is very simple. All you need to do is click page by page and continue. You can come back to your information anytime as it's saved as you go along. There's no need to complete your tax return in one go. You can do it at your own pace and complete your return whenever you're ready to do so. Your tax return is only 3 steps away. Step 1. Start completing your return by providing your date of birth, address and national insurance number. Make sure you have your UTR number, HMRC ID and password handy. Step 2. Choose the required forms which make up your tax return. Please note, main tax return or SA 100 pages are compulsory, and you can choose additional supplementary pages based on income you had during the tax year. For example, if you have received UK property income and you were non-resident or left the UK during the tax year, then you should fill in UK property pages and residence and remittance basis pages in addition to the main tax return pages. Start filing main pages of your tax return by providing details of various sources like bank interest, dividend income, state pension or other income. Fill tax relief boxes for payments to pension schemes, charities or transfer of personal allowance. Fill UK property pages if you receive rental income from land and property. There are special rules for furnished holiday lettings. Please contact our tax team before filling furnished holiday letting boxes. Complete land and property pages by providing rental income and expenses details in appropriate boxes. You can claim running costs of your rental property, but please do not include the cost of buying, selling or altering your rental property. Fill in residence remittance basis pages if you are non-resident in the UK or you are resident and any one of the on-screen conditions is applicable to you. You may be entitled to claim personal allowance under double taxable agreement or any other basis. Please tick the relevant box and provide country code. Domicile is not the same as residence, and usually you have domicile in the country where you have a permanent home. Please contact our tax team if you're not clear on anything. Remittance boxes are only relevant if you're resident in the UK and would like HMRC to tax you on overseas income on remittance basis. Step 3. The third and final step is to review and submit your return to HMRC. Please download your tax report for review, and if you're happy that it's complete and correct, click on the Submission to HMRC tab and follow the submission steps. If you have something important to attach, then click on the attachment. Please note you can only attach a PDF file. Select Original option from Return Type and click on Validate your return. The amended option is only applicable if you want to override a return which has already been submitted to HMRC. You'll receive a successful test result if your return passes all validation. Otherwise, you'll receive an error message. Please resolve the issue in the error message and try to test again, chat us or send an email if you need any help. Please only click once on the Submission tab and your tax return will get submitted to HMRC. Please check your HMRC credentials if you receive an authentication failure message. On successful submission, you'll receive 2 emails: a successful submission status email from Government Gateway and an IR mark from us. Keep in mind to complete it before the 31st of January. Please contact us at www.123efiling.co.uk for more help.